Hi, today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open Gmail application and then tap here on the right upper corner. Just to log out from this account in Gmail, we should log out from Google accounts on our device, and to do that we should click manage accounts on this device, tap to this account and click on the right upper corner to these three dots. Then click to remove account and confirm your action by tap to remove account again. And now in Google account settings we can see that we have no any logged in accounts, so let's go back to the application. And we can see that also in the app we just successfully logged out from Gmail account. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.